Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch D2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, and you can press and hold on the current watch face to open the watch face menu. Here you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right, find the watch face you would like to use, and once you find it, you can tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also do this through the settings, so if we press the side button on the home screen, the current watch face, the crown button rather, it will open the menu. We can look for the settings icon and then tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, we can find the option called watch face and home, tap on it, and here select the watch face. It will open the watch face menu. We can scroll through it, find the watch face we like, tap on it to select it, and apply it. You can also customize some of the watch faces. So if you open the watch face menu, under some of the watch faces, you will see custom button. You can tap on it. And here we can customize a couple of things. We can customize the style, time, how the time looks like basically, and the widgets. So you can tap on one and select something from the list. And once you're done, press the crown button to apply the changes. And last way to change the watch face is to basically do it through the phone application. So if your watch is paired with a phone, you can use the Huawei Health app to change the watch face. So bring our phone here. Zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen. Okay. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Huawei Health application. In the app, you will see the health page. Now tap on devices, and on this page, you should see your HUAWEI Watch D2. Tap on it to select it. And here, find the category called watch faces. It's possible you're missing this category because when you install the Huawei Health application for the first time, you selected a region that doesn't support this feature because you are basically asked to select the service region. And one way to fix it, I believe, is to basically reinstall the application and select a different region. For example, I'm using United Kingdom and it's working fine. And once you see the watch faces, tap on More to open the watch face store. And here you can download some additional watch faces, as you can see. But also you can tap on Mine right here to open the list of watch faces basically installed on your watch already. If you tap on My Dial right here. And here we have the list. We can scroll through it, find the watch face we want, tap on Apply, and it will be applied on our watch. And if you want to download some watch faces, you can go back to the home page of the store. I'm gonna look for the free category and find some watch face. For example, let's say this one. Tap on it and tap on Install. And after it's done installing, it should be applied on our watch. Like this. And of course, once you're done, you can close the application. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.